much to IFFI President Jean-Marie Laison. And now, may I request Sir John Alexander Ke to please be on stage with Director Dong. Thank you so much to IFFI member and Board of Director Alexander Ke, John Alexander Ke. And to culminate this morning's very proud day in the history of the city, please welcome once again the charismatic and hard-working director of the Iloilo City Meetings, Incentives, Conventions, and Exhibition Center. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause to Director Salvador Dong Sarabia Jr.
Thank you, Kay. I will not be remiss in greeting you all because all the VIPs, I think, have been mentioned. But I will be remiss if I will not greet my wife, Dr. Terry Sarabia. And of course, my family, Mishi, Sarah, Dr. Risa, congratulations to your diplomate, Jello, Red,